Right, I can't even believe it. I must have been so naive. Just wanted the bed pulling down. Fortunately now, that is what it looks like. Hello, hello, hello. You join me in the back of the van, and you would have seen from the time lapse on the screen now, I'm emptying the van, completely emptying it. Why, you ask? Because when I built this van and designed the van, it was more for my mountain bikes to go in the back of, so I didn't have to take wheels off and that sort of stuff. Although it does sleep two up there comfortably, it's very difficult to get in and out, to be honest. I have to climb in. Kate really struggles to get up there. There's not a great deal of room in the back here, but it was all built around the space in the back. So bike, job done. The main thing is I want to drop the bed and flip it round. So at the moment we sleep with our head at the back and feet here. I want to be able to sleep side to side. What that'll mean is we can push the bed back as well. Well, you know what I mean. More room in here. So that's the ultimate goal, to be honest. How it's going to work, anything else is a bonus. So I really don't know. We're trying to do this without going too far, and then we are going to, so today's job, you've already seen me empty the van, well, all the cosmetic stuff. Today's job is something I should have done 2 years ago when we built the van, and that is put a solar panel on the roof, because we've got quite a big road trip coming up. So if you're not subscribed already, that's what this is all about basically. So if you're not subscribed already, please do so. Please like the video. For the next few videos, not sure how many, there's going to be van build material, and then following that we are doing a 2-week road trip, which I won't spoil yet, but please do subscribe for that. Really appreciate it. Right, health and safety, you may look away. So we're going. Didn't measure it before I bought it. Since measured it, it's very, very close, to be honest, in terms of the front of the van and the Max Air fan. And I've got the most important job so far, unwrapping the solar panel. Right, that's what it looks like in here with no mattress. I can't turn it. There is lights up there, but I can't reach at the moment. Yeah, that's it. Right, I can't even believe it. I must have been so naive, because I just wanted the bed pulling down. Unfortunately now, that is what it looks like. Everything's been completely ripped out, and we're starting, well, Not quite starting again, but starting again basically. Thinking report is good, but if something's got to be done, it's got to be done right. Kind of. He won't show you the bodge bits. But yeah, oh my god. So we currently are nearly the end of day one. Right, so the new plan is, instead of the bed being all the way up here like it was, leave this as an alcove. The bed's going to come to here, the mattress is going to come to here, so we've got a bit more room, and hopefully going to be able to lie side to side. I mean, hopefully that's the bed there. I think that is the bed. So I'm just going to take this one off, and then do the same. I've just moved the insulation from there to there because we didn't insulate the garage before. We insulated the bed underneath the bed, but not that part of the garage. So I'm hoping it shouldn't be a problem really. But yeah, man, I really underestimated this one. Paul is just casually round there cutting windows out of his other van, out of his van. I didn't finish off the video the other day, but this is the end of day one. And I'm oh god. It's actually day two for me now, but the end of day one is how we left it, which is a mess. Yeah, diesel heater, all electrics are all out. Bed, lowered the bed down. Made some cutouts to make the bed a bit wider because we're going to lie that way. And today, windows are going in at the back, and then hopefully the solar wire will come down around about there somewhere. But yeah. Next job, making an extra bed for cameraman Stan. So if you remember before, we used to sleep on there, it used to come out to here. The builder's got a bit of an idea to make a smaller bench, but pulls out, so we'll see. Don't know, I'm just going with it. I'm the editor, I can take that bit out.